Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add someone's Instagram story to your own. Let's get started. Have you ever come across a story on Instagram that you really liked and wanted to share it with your followers? Well, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's open Instagram and see how it works when someone adds another person's story to theirs. Here's an example. This story was posted by another user. If we tap anywhere on the story, it shows the original creator, and you can even visit their profile. Now the big question is, how can you do this? The answer is simple. You can only add someone's story to yours if they have tagged you in their story. If they haven't tagged you, you won't have the option to share it. To check if you have been tagged, tap the heart icon to view your notifications and see if anyone has mentioned you. If you have been tagged, you will be able to repost their story effortlessly. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.